Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a short video today just to show you how to change the number plate globes, the bulbs, which are currently the halogen ones, the T10 yellow colors. Trying to change them to white LEDs, so let's do it. Alright, so first of all, what we need to do here is just to open the boot and just hold it right there. And as you can see, you've got two of the globes there, so the first one on the right. So what you need to do is just use the screwdriver, the flathead, on this side, like so, and just trying to start pulling them out slowly. Don't rush, just take your time. And then once it comes out a bit, just start pulling it off. And there we have, this one's out. Pretty dirty at the moment, so all we need to do now is to remove this bit and then change the globe. To change the globe, now all we need to do is rotate it counterclockwise like this and pull this one out, and the old globe will come out. There we go, that's all. Alright, now the LED bulb is in. We need to stick this one in and then put it back, and that's all. Just a small tip, if you're going to put this one back, now remember we pulled it off from this side, but when you're putting it back in, because of the groove here, we need to put this side in first and then just try to slowly push it inside like this, and that's it, it's back in.